twilight falls in amber hue, my heart still beats its vow to you. Through silent winds and skies unsure, my love remains so still, so pure. If shadows whisper doubt tonight, look in my eyes, behold the light. No fleeting flame, no passing fire, but endless, boundless, deep desire.